What's up, guys? We have news. Roblox might have removed it. Roblox removed the oof sound. Now, they scared us with it back in December. Back in I don't know, not December, September 2020. Back in December 2020, Roblox said they were removing the oof sound, but it was delayed, and they might remove the oof sound today. They might remove the oof sound. Because, there was a guy named Timmy Tallarico who used to own the oof sound, who owned the oof sound, and apparently said that Roblox stole it. I known this news for almost 2 years, which, be careful because we're probably going to do the last oof. So we're going to go into a special place. We're going to go into the room where the last oof will take place, which is in my convention center. So this is probably going to be the last oof. In 3, 2, 1.